Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another unboxing. This time we got the ZEALOT-S67 in its full glory. USB Type-C, rush bass, FT card slot, aux cable, and 3-mode equalizer. So let's get this thing unboxed. Your boy Alex, Audio Tech, baby. It does come with a strap. So how do I get the speaker out of here? Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out how to get the speaker out of here. Here we go. Damn, this thing is kind of heavy. And then, of course, what else comes in the box? We got the USB Type A to USB Type C, and we got the aux cable. I know a lot of people think this is important. To me, I don't really care for it, to be completely honest with you guys. And let's pull out the speaker. It's blue, my favorite color. This little thing is kind of heavy. This thing probably weighs like 2 or 3 pounds. Not even joking. Look, the weight. The weight pushes it like down. Let's just use the box. Let's consider these bloopers. Use the box to hold it up. So there we go. We got the hooks. We got the power button. I don't know what this for. Sync button, equalizer, play, down and up. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on. Okay. It's ready to Bluetooth. We got the capacitive radiators on each side. Then on the bottom, the stomp. Then on the back, we got, I see, okay. We got the USB Type A. We got the aux cable, the port. Let me bring this a little bit down so you guys can see it. Sorry about that. So USB Type A, a micro SD slot, aux, and USB Type-C to charge it. So this is for the reverse charging, guys. And of course, I think the speaker is IPX6 waterproof, so that flap's got to be closed completely, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get the show on the road. Where's my iPhone 15 Pro right here? So let's connect it. Let me go to settings. Bluetooth, baby, Bluetooth. Let's go to Bluetooth. And let's look for this speaker. Okay, so it's gonna come out as ZEALOT-S67, as you guys can see right there. And the affiliate link to this speaker will be provided down below in the comment section. So, hold on, guys. I'm trying to get the speaker to stand up straight so you guys can. Ready? Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now let's play some non-copyrighted music. Música maestro. Okay, here we go. But we're gonna play one of my favorite ones. Wow, this is halfway. 75%, 70 watts peak power. No, this thing is louder than that. I would give this like 80 watts. I'm not even joking. Love the clarity. I don't hear no distortion myself here. It came with the straps. This was the speaker that started my journey with Zealot. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I bought this speaker. I'm surprised it still got battery life. I just looked at my Amazon order and I bought this speaker back in November of 2020. No. Yeah, 2023. In 2023. So this speaker's been in my room for 2 years. That's why I decided to make this speaker channel, guys. I'm trying to put these straps on here. Not having the fondest times of, you know, putting... There we go. So I bought the speaker back in November 2023. So it'll be 2 years old in November of this year. Never unboxed it because, like I said, I own so many speakers. Never unboxed it. The strap is good. It wasn't supposed to have this strap. It was supposed to come up with a little handle, a little leather handle that would attach to these two parts right here where I got the strap. And that's how it was supposed to come. But since I never unboxed it, guys, then I never found out it didn't have the, you know, the leather strap that I was supposed to get with it. And I don't know, I can find out. I think it's on sale, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's on sale right now, so I'm gonna check it while I'm doing the live. Well, I was just gonna say live stream. I meant to say video. Let me look it up on Amazon, to be completely honest with you guys. And the affiliate link, once again, will be provided in the comment section down below. It'll be pinned down below in the comment section. So let me scan it real fast because it's the quickest way to do things. Boom. Okay, here we go. Right now, it is on sale for $75, and it's a $100 speaker. See, it's on sale for $79.99, and here it goes. But I was supposed to receive this one. This is the one that I was supposed to receive. You see, with the leather strap. See, it says output 75 watts. It has 20-hour battery life. It has a 14,400 milliamp battery. No wonder this thing has been 2 years in the box and it didn't die. It has a freaking 14,800 milliamp battery. But I was supposed to have these, you know, this little leather strap. This is the one that I had ordered, and I don't know what happened. I guess, you know, you see, I don't know what happened with Amazon that they sent me another one. And look, you get an extra 10% off, and then if you buy two, you get an extra 2% off. So yeah, right here, this is the speaker. It says deep bass. Yep, see, IPX6 waterproof, so you could take this to their pool, to the river. Just make sure you don't let it float down the river, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, overall, a great speaker. Let's see if it shows anything about the subwoofers and all that. Okay, it says the ZEALOT-S67 Bluetooth speaker. Let's see. Yeah, it has two subwoofers. Yeah, two subwoofer and one tweeter. The improvement, 75 watt output, DPS chip. So that's the new chip, I guess, for speakers. It says if you have two of them, then you'll get a total output of 150 watts. Right? Does it say two of them? Allow your two linked up. Yeah, links. Yeah, yep. So here we go, guys. These are some of the specs on the speaker. And that's what I'm gonna start doing on the videos, like showing you guys the specs of the speaker. You guys know I'm dyslexic, so I can't, you know, I struggle to read a lot of things. But yeah, audio output mode, studio. I think that's what that says, studio. So yeah, liking the speaker a lot, man. Liking the speaker a lot. Even though I didn't get the one that I ordered, I got the one with the straps. It doesn't bother me. Let's play some more non-copyrighted music for you guys. Like I said, at the end of the live stream, the affiliate link will be, well, you know, when I'm editing, I'll make sure I put the affiliate link and I'll pin it down in the comment section down below, guys. for you guys to get one, especially right now it's on sale. I paid original price for this. I paid more than like 110 with taxes when I first bought it back in 2023. So let's play another song. And guys, I'm gonna start doing versus videos, speaker versus video. I mean, speaker versus speaker, like Zealot versus, I don't know, maybe Smartron and so forth. You know, we'll start pushing out that kind of content, speaker versus speaker. But yeah, overall, I love the speaker. It's great. I don't regret the purchase. Not even if I paid $110 plus tax, you know, with the taxes. To me, it's definitely a crowd pleaser. It has great bass. You know, it is a Zealot. Zealot, to me, makes top-of-the-line speakers for the price. Seriously, for the price. I think this one was supposed to compete with the, oh, man, I forgot the name of that speaker. I don't know if it's the Charge 5 or 3, whatever it was out in that year, 2023. This is supposed to compete with that. But definitely a great speaker, guys. Let's rock out to some more music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
I can honestly say I love the build quality of the speaker. I think it looks awesome. Like, you know, the build quality is like top shape, to be honest. I'm loving the build quality of the speaker, of course. And of course, this is gonna look a little bit downer because of this padding, the thing to open it. But overall, a great build quality. You can see here, I got 2 bars of life. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I still got 2 bars after, you know, it coming and me not opening for almost 2 years, a year and some change, you know. But it was a brand new speaker. I mean, it is a brand new speaker. I mean, I never unboxed it, you know. So definitely a great speaker. I want to recommend. Get your hands on one. You can thank me later. For $75, it's definitely worth it. Look at how elegant it looks. It comes in black and in blue. Whichever color you decide, you know, you can have it standing, you know, chilling. You want to listen to whatever genre music you want to listen to, you know, in your living room. You want to put it in a nice spot. It looks elegant. Doesn't look ugly at all. It looks like a you know, home warming gift. It looks like something that belongs in your living room when you want to rock out for a little bit. Don't want, you know, just want to chill and release some stress listening to your favorite genre of music. This is the way to go with this ZEALOT-S67. Definitely a great speaker that I want to recommend. And if it sounds this loud in copyrighted music, I can imagine when I play non-copyrighted music, it's going to sound even louder. So it's definitely a major cop. Definitely a major cop. Especially now at the price that it is, like I said, it's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it, guys. Let's see what else I got here. No, I don't want to play that one.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Thailand. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I love that song. I think it's an awesome song. So yeah, man, I can't believe this speaker only has one tweeter and it sounds so freaking clear at max volume. To me, it's just amazing. It's an amazing, elegant looking little speaker. Well, it's not that little, but compared to the other ones that I have, it is smaller. And it just looks amazing. It looks amazing, but it is big enough to where they could have just added a handle to this speaker and it would have looked nice because it is a big enough speaker. But I guess I get it from Zealot's point. They would think it would have been ugly if they had a handle right there. But I love the speaker. I love the fact that it brings the straps. You can carry it because it does weigh like around 2 to 3 pounds. It is pretty heavy. So the heavier the speaker, you know, the better it's going to sound. So in most cases, it is that way is what I'm trying to say. So definitely a major cop, man. Get yourself one. Thank me later. Like I said, it will be pinned down in the comment section down below. Definitely get your hands on one. I don't know what's wrong with my it's my my tripod. It made it, the video's been recorded different angles. I don't know. I hope you guys think it's cool. I can't do nothing about it. It's my tripod. It's just crazy. I need a new one. And I got the new one. But I forget. Every time I go to make a speaker unboxing video or review, I forget the other tripod downstairs. But I need to bring it upstairs. But yeah, guys, definitely I love the speaker. Like I said, it sounds really clear, really loud. It does come with the straps. It comes with your AC cord, you know, your aux cord. It does come with reverse charging, you know, for USB Type A to Type C. And it does have 14,600 milliamp battery. So yeah, the thing goes for 20 hours. Jesus Christ. So it's definitely worth it, man. Like I said, if you're a person that likes to listen to whatever genre, like jazz, rock, whatever it is, you'll definitely enjoy this speaker. Definitely enjoy the speaker. Let's find another song. I'm just skeptical, guys, to play other music because of how sensitive YouTube is when it comes to thinking that something that says non-copyrighted is copyrighted, and I have had to fight, you know, not to fight, to put in disputes that the music that I play is non-copyrighted. Because you see, I played this one a couple of times, and you see right here it says, oh no, right here it does say copy, what? Copy guideline? So this is, no, it says non-copyrighted. Yeah, non-copyrighted. And when I play this song, YouTube tells me it's copyrighted. So that's why I don't play it no more. I don't got time to dispute that every time I play that song. See, this one's not copyrighted too. making this half an hour video for you guys, or more than half an hour. Highly appreciate the the likes and the views, man. Keep up supporting your boy. Keep clicking on these affiliate links and ordering these devices through the affiliate link. I can't see none of the information when you do that, guys, and it helps greatly support the channel so I can keep pushing out more content and buy new products to review on this channel and unbox for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, God bless, and be safe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. You all ready, and thank you for watching.